If you're clocking into your 9 to 5, burning out by 3, and wondering where the money actually goes, welcome to Zillennial reality. You're not lazy, you're underpaid and over it. Here's one budget hack that's low effort, low risk, and actually kind of fun. Selling feet pics on FeetFinder. This isn't about quitting your job, it's about creating options. Whether you're chasing that soft life or you just want some breathing room in your budget, FeetFinder gives you a flexible way to earn after hours. No experience, no exposure, just a smart side hustle with serious payout potential. Zillennials are the over-hustle culture but still want control. We've got student loans, rent hikes, and a serious case of I deserve better. So yeah, we're turning to creative ways to earn, and FeetFinder is actually working for people who want flexibility without burnout. You're already on your phone, why not make it pay you back? With FeetFinder, you can earn on your own terms. It's discreet, flexible, and totally in your control. Whether you post once a week or build it into a full-on side hustle, there are no meetings, no managers, just your pace and your rules. You don't need to make thousands to feel the impact. Covering that surprise vet bill or ordering from your favorite takeout without guilt is enough. FeetFinder isn't about quitting your job tomorrow, unless you want to. It's about easing the pressure. A few consistent sales a week can go straight to your soft life fund, a weekend getaway, the skincare plurge, or just peace of mind when rent is due. It's small wins that add up without forcing you to sacrifice your time, sanity, or style. 9 to 5 might pay the bills, but 5 to 9 can fund the freedom. FeetFinder is helping burned out professionals take back a little bit of control, one foot pick at a time. Check out feetfinder.com, like this video, and drop a comment if you're budgeting smarter, not harder.